Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bemi. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not new, thanks for coming back and tuning into my channel. So today's video is another get ready with me video where I'll be showing you how I installed my wig, also how I styled it to get the curls to look really defined, and also how I got this whole makeup look. So when it comes to my wig is from a company called WowAfrican. I have worked with them a few times, and honestly speaking, I'm not disappointed again this time because the lace, amazing, it literally melts and it's so seamless, and then the hair itself is so soft and so fluffy and very minimum shedding for, you know, for a wavy unit, because obviously curly and wavy hair is prone to shedding anyway, but this one has actually been very minimum shedding anyway. So if you guys want to see how I installed my wig and how I got this whole makeup look, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching, and don't forget to comment, subscribe, like and share, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
You be jealousy, nobody compared to me. Respectfully, but they know they come for free. So you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to got it with a fake energy. Say you gonna be there for me. Will I be the 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you go see. Maybe I'll be too harsh, I know. I really wanna know how we do. Are you gonna be there for sure? That's only between us alone. I'm a sorrow, poop off for one. Fuck off in my daddy, waru. Now you know how low-key I roll. Don't tell your bros, I'll vibe, you vibe, we vibe. Like jealousy, nobody compared to me. Respectfully, but they know they come for free. So you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to got it with a fake energy. Say you gonna be there for me. Will I be the 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you go see.
Hi guys, okay cool, so the last time you guys saw me I was at Ife's house getting my hair installed. It's been about a few days now, so I'm just gonna go back in and re-glue this side. Today's video is gonna be a get ready with me video, so I'm just basically gonna be getting ready on camera. I'm trying to take some pictures for something I've got coming up real soon, so I'm just gonna re-glue this hair and then do like a get ready with me, so hair and makeup. I'm gonna use the CB lip gloss glue, as you guys can see. So I really like this one because it's so easy to carry around. You can just chuck it in your bag, literally like a lip gloss, and you can, you know, use it basically. So I'm not going to apply too much just because I will be taking off this wig very soon. She already tinted the lace for me, so as you guys can see, it definitely matches.
You want mess around, try to put it down. If you keep it low, they can spoil it, so don't catch feelings, though. Please don't tell us so. Dying for my love, but wanting a tender loving touch. And do this something without no trust. The rope him I've been looking too long. What for? I don't need to show my love.
So whilst I'm waiting for my lace to lay down, I'm just gonna obviously style the hair and then start my makeup as well. So this wig is from a company called WowAfrican, and this is their 13x6 deep wave lace front wig, and I've worked with them previously. Their lace is quite good, the hair itself is also quite good. So I'm just gonna show you guys what the parting is saying. You guys can see the parting goes all the way to the back, so that's how you know it's definitely a 13x6. So which means you can obviously do whatever hairstyle you're willing to do with this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray up the hair so that way the hair is being prepped whilst I do my makeup. The hair barely sheds as well. From all of that, this is what I've gotten from it, so that's actually really good because curly hair is known to shed anyway. So the next thing I'm gonna do now is to apply some Canty curling cream, and this is just gonna help to, you know, define the curls a bit more and also kind of keep that wet look. But I feel like I really want my hair to be really puffy today. I can always fluff it out anyway with my fingers, so that's not a problem. But if you guys are going for that wet look throughout the day, I would really recommend this curly hair cream. It really helps to like just keep the locks, to lock the curls in throughout the day and stops it from being like too puffy.
You be jealous, nobody compared to me. Respectfully, but you know they come for free. So you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to got it with a fake energy. Say you gonna be there for me. Will I be the 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you could see. Maybe I'll be too harsh, I know. They only wanna know how we do. Are you gonna be there for sure? That's only between us alone. I'm a sorrow,
okay, so now I'm just gonna leave my hair to air dry whilst I do my makeup. So first things first, I'm gonna moisturize my face. I've been loving the MORPHE Total Gel Moisturizer recently. You guys can see how this moisturizer instantly just plumps your skin. Like, it just makes your skin, it gives you this glow, and it's just, I love it. Moving on to foundation, I am going to mix my Huda Beauty foundation and my Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation. I'm going to mix these two foundations together. I don't have a specific reason for mixing both foundations together. I just love mixing my foundations. I don't know why. So for the Stay Naked foundation, I'm in the shade 81 Neutral, and for the Huda Beauty foundation, I am in the shade NUTMEG. Today I'm going for a really full coverage makeup. I'm going for a really full coverage beat today, so you don't always have to apply so much makeup to get a full coverage finish. It's all about your technique and how you literally apply your products, really. When it comes to my forehead, I don't really apply too much to my forehead. You guys can see there's nothing on my forehead right now, but I'm just going to go ahead and apply what I have left on my brush and just pat that in, literally, and that's what I do. I'm going to go back into my beauty blender. This is the Binwa Beauty blender. It's a Nigerian owned brand, so I hope I'm saying the name correctly. If not, I'll leave the name on the screen, but I absolutely love their beauty blender. I'm just going to use the bottom part of the beauty blender to just like press my foundation into my skin a lot more. I need to go get my nails done because this is broken. This is, what is this? Come on sis, get it together. Get yourself together. Like, what is going on? So I don't know if I'm the only one, but every time I do my makeup or whenever I'm getting ready, I tend to sweat around my mouth, which is so weird. Like, I just get really hot and then I start sweating around my mouth. I don't know why, but if that happens to you as well, let me know down below in the comment section because I find it so weird. So moving on to concealer, I'm going to use the Too Faced Bond This Way concealer, and this is in the shade Mocha. Mocha's pretty light for me, but I do like a bright under eye.
Respectfully, but you know they come for free. So you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to got it with a fake energy. Say you gonna be there for me. Will I be the 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you could see. Maybe I'll be too harsh, I know. They only wanna know how we do. Are you gonna be there for sure? That's only between us alone. I'm a sorrow, boop off from home. Fuck off in my diary, waru. Now you know how low-key I roll. Don't tell your bros, I'll vibe, you vibe, we vibe. Jealousy, nobody compared to me. Respectfully, but you know they come for free. So you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to got it with a fake energy. Say you gonna be there for me. Will I be the 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you could see.
So the last thing I'm going to do before setting my concealer is I'm going to go in with the Revolution concealer, and this is in the shade C10. So this is just going to help to give me a really bright under eye, as you know, that's the look that I'm going for today. So to give me a really flawless under eye, I'm going to go into my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC45, and I'm literally going to use this to set my under eye first before going into my translucent powder. And now I'm going to go into my Mercier translucent powder, and I'm going to use this to set my face.
Yeah,
I'm just going to pat over my contour so I can set this in place because it is still quite dewy right now. When you go in with powder over like a dewy surface, it can make your makeup quite patchy. So, and now going into my Filter 13 Morphe setting powder and my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NW50. I'm going to use these two powders to set my face. I'm also using my Morphe M439 brush to set my face because it's so dense, so that way I get more coverage using this brush. Okay, so guys, I've done my brows off camera and I do feel like they're pretty thick today, especially this one for sure, but listen, they're done now. So to contour my face now, I'm going to go into my Fenty Beauty MOCHA MAMI bronzer with my Revolution bronzer in the shade Deep. I'm going to use both bronzers to bronze up and add definition back to my face. I'm going to add more of the MOCHA MAMI around my cheeks and add more of the Revolution bronzer around my jawline. Okay, so moving on to my eyeshadow now, I'm going to be using my Jackie AINA eyeshadow palette, and I feel like for today's look, I'm going to do my go-to brown smoky eye look. It's honestly so simple, so I'm going to go into the shade Ginger, which is this one right here, and I'm just going to apply that as my transition shade. I'm going to apply a bit of edges as well, so Ginger and edges as my transition shade. And now I'm going to use a flat brush like this and use that to apply Credit, which is this brown shade right here, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. And then I'm just going to go ahead and blend Credit into my transition shade so everything can merge together. Going back in with the brush that I used for my transition shade and just blend around the edges. Okay, so guys, I'm back now and I'm done with my eye makeup. So now I'm just going to apply some blusher onto my cheeks just to add some color back to my face, and this is the ABH blush trio. So moving on to my lips now, I'm going to use my sleek lip pencil in the shade Just Say Nothing. I haven't used this lip liner in so long, so and then now I'm going to apply a nude liquid lipstick. I can't remember what brand this is, but it's just a nude. To highlight my face, I'm going to use the MAVEN Beauty highlighter in the shade Draped Up. It's more like a champagne type of colour, so I'm just going to apply that onto my cheeks. The smallest amount is literally all you need because it's literally so pigmented. My lips feel really dry, so I am going to add some lip gloss. This is the ABH lip gloss in the shade Tasty. Okay, so guys, I'm done with my makeup. I just need to finish off my hair and then we're done with this Get Ready With Me. So I'm going to grab my Afro G hair mousse and use this to lay my baby hairs down. I really like using this for my baby hairs just because the hold is so strong, so it really does work. I don't know if it's just me, but I do feel like my lace has moved back a little, but so the next thing I'm going to do now is to brush out the curls, but before I do that, I just want you guys to actually take in the curls properly. I really like using that curly hair defining the curly hair defining cream because it really helps to define your curls so much, honestly speaking. And it actually stays like this throughout the day, so you don't have to worry about your hair getting big, you know, and really puffy. But I'm going for that look today, so I'm just going to use my finger to brush out the curls. Okay, so guys, I'm done getting ready and this is the finished look. This is my hair and this is my makeup. I'm so happy I added the curl defining cream because I really feel like it's really helped to, you know, define the curls a lot more. And even though I've combed out the curls, you can still see the curl pattern. Do you get what I mean? So yeah, like I said, this wig is from WowAfrican. I'm so impressed with their lace because it's actually melted in it. And not only that, the hair itself is actually really soft, really fluffy and very minimal shedding as well. So I'll definitely recommend this hair company. I think this is my second or third time working with them, but I'll make sure to leave all the links and details that you guys need to know down below, so please make sure you check the description box. Also, let me know what you guys think of this makeup look. Obviously, I'm sure you guys have seen this makeup look so many different times on my channel. This is just my staple go-to makeup look when I'm going on a night out, or like, you know, I just want to feel myself like a brown smoky eye is literally me. That is me. So anyway, but yeah, you guys let me know what you think about this makeup look down below. Let me know what you think of my hair, this whole look together. And also if you guys have any products, any makeup products you'd like me to review, let me know down below as well, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.